Yeah.
This kid's been in my family for a long time.
Okay.
I definitely need to keep this.
Yep. No problem.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay. It looks awful close to where that tree's coming down.
Trained professionals.
I'll trust you.
Okay.
My grandfather built that.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no!
I told you, my grandfather built that for me. I've been in my family for years. Into it, look at it. Can't you believe this? Can you all believe this? Where's Jay? I cannot believe this. You can't believe you did this to me.